So this is the connection that I found. That will connect with the existing one, and this is the USB socket which will be fitted here. I got given this bracket. It had a plastic flexible bracket on the back which I have taken off. It was on a rivet and I removed that. I broke the rivet and I am gonna push a screw, a bolt in with a lock nut, and this little nipple there, it will go straight into that hole of the existing bracket. So as you can see, that is screwed in to the bracket, and all I have to do is to push this in, and that's it. As you can see, now all we have to do is reconnect the wire, pass the wire from below and connect it to the existing connector. Okay, now as you can see, it's been put in place. It's all nice and neat. It's screwed to the bracket of the headlamp right in there. The wire passed from underneath, and now we are going to connect. And as you can see, it's charging. And we go again. So that way it's the job done. All nice and neat in the place how it should be. And Bob's your uncle, mate.